In this video, we will be showing how to use the EASYSTICK's front application on the MINIPRESS P. The front application can be used to position and drill the boring locations of front fixing brackets for any of Blum's metal box systems to the cabinet maker's planned specifications. For this video, we will drill 3 different sized Legger box drawer fronts. First, from the home screen, we will select the front application and start a new front. Begin by selecting the desired program, side height, and side overlays for the front. Configure the drilling head and Y-axis to match the settings shown. Adjust the Y-axis to the distance shown on the screen with the adjustment wheel on the front of the machine. Insert the appropriate 10mm left and right-handed bits into the 8-spindle drilling head and mount to the machine. Reference and drill each end of the panel at the highlighted stop pins on the left and right sides of the fence. For the remaining fronts, make all required changes and drill. A bottom front can be configured with a bottom overlay separate from the upper drawers. By clicking the Save button on the screen, the configuration can be stored for future use. Install front fixing brackets into fronts, connect fronts to drawers, and insert drawers in cabinet.